Right, let's just show you around our apartment. That's the path leading to the restaurant. And that leads down to the other side of the island. So let me show you to our room. As you can already tell, that's a pretty impressive view. It's our neighbours on the right. Get a little pot. Two beds. There you go, get your 2 beds. That's your view. And come down and show you. You get a bed. And you get 2 chairs. Then you come in, and there's Lizzie, all excited, just arrived.
I'm just putting things in the fridge. Oh, I can't believe this. What a result. Come and have a look at this bathroom.
Come and show us the bathroom then.
Come on. Come this way.
There's a coffee machine. Here is the towels. Look at that.
It must be a light because that must light up at night, surely, yeah.
There you go. There's a little garden area to hang your clothes.
Oh, cool, yeah.
And there is your outside toilet.
Where Jensen spends most of his time contemplating life.
And the shower. It's an outside shower as well. So you're in the shower, there you go. And that's what you see when you're showering.
You do realise when you pop off, everyone's going to hear you.
There you go. And that is a view. I might even put this on YouTube so people can see what they're going to get.
There's music to it.
The sockets are all. Have a look at that.
There's a socket, it's the same as ours.
3-pin. And you wake up in the morning with that view. The island of Kuredu, what a place. If you're thinking, I'm spending a lot of money on this, and I'm not sure it's right, you have no worries at all. This place is absolute paradise.